What's up guys, Alec here, and this video is for the people that have just had enough of Instagram and want to delete their Instagram account. So yes, in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Now before we go ahead, I do want to mention and emphasize on the fact that deleting your Instagram account is permanent. That means your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will all be permanently removed. And after you've deleted your Instagram account, you can't sign up again with the same username and you can't add that username to another Instagram account. So like I said, it's permanent, gone forever, and Instagram doesn't reactivate deleted accounts. So please make sure you think twice before actually deleting your Instagram account. Now if you'd like to just take a break from Instagram, you can also just temporarily disable your Instagram account. But I also do want to warn you that people have reported to me, and I've seen a couple of comments online, that once they temporarily disabled their account, they were never able to get back into their account. They lost access to that account forever. So that sounds like some sketchy kind of stuff from Instagram. But I mean, if you want to take a break from Instagram, why don't you just log out, put your account on private, archive all your posts and delete the app off your phone for a while. See how you feel then. So yeah, I do want to mention that I've never actually deleted an Instagram account and I've never actually temporarily disabled one because I don't want to delete any of my accounts. Even dead ones or useless ones, you never know, one day they might be useful in the future. That being said, here's how to delete your Instagram account. So first of all, you can't delete your account from within the app. You have to do it from within an internet browser. You need to log into Instagram within the browser and sign into the account that you wish to delete. Once you've done that, then you have to go to this page, which is www.instagram.com/accounts/remove/request/permanent. It's not the easiest link to find, so I've put it in the description below. Once you're on that page, make sure at the top it's the username of the account you want to delete. Then open the drop-down menu next to why are you deleting your account and choose the option which is most relevant to you. Once you've done that, for security reasons, you then have to re-enter the password for that account. And then once you've entered that password, you can then click on permanently delete your account. And there you have it, your account is now officially deleted. You can't access it ever again. It is gone. There's no way you're going to get it back. So if you're watching this video and you still have your account and you're considering deleting it, please just think twice, because a lot of people get their accounts banned and unfairly taken from them and they're gutted for a long time. So yeah, just be sure you want to delete your account before you do it. And yeah, that's the video for today guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out. Playing with the word now, Hollywood geeking. It's just another Hollywood weekend.